First, head over to Google and search for PHP. Then go to PHP website. Then go to download. Then go to Windows download. As you can see, current PHP version is 8.0.12 and two different versions of PHP you can download from here, thread shape and non-thread shape. Also, you can choose from 32-bit and 64-bit binary as per your machine requirement. I choose non-thread shape 64-bit binary. I have already downloaded it in my desktop. So I am gonna extract it to a drive. Cut it, go to C drive, make a new folder called PHP and extract it here. Next, delete the zip file, copy the development php-ini file and rename it to php-ini. Yes, then copy the full path and search for environment variable. Click environment variable, then choose path, then click edit, then click new, then paste the full path here and hit OK, hit OK and hit OK. Then open your CMD and type php-year version. As you can see, PHP 8.0.12 is successfully installed. And let's go to desktop and make a new folder. Go to that folder and open that folder in my PHP. Create a new file, test.php and add some basic PHP code. Save the file and go to command prompt and type php and the file name php.php and hit enter. As you can see, PHP is successfully running. Thank you.